Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to solve number 1 on your test. Please write down everything I write down. So I'm going to solve this the Common Core way. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a rectangle. I'm breaking it into 4 parts because I have 4 numbers I need to break. So this is 6, this is 1/2, this is 3, and this is 1/4. Okay, so in this box I'm going to do 3 times 6 equals 18. In this box I'm going to do 3 over 1 times 1/2. When I multiply straight across, I get 3 over 2. In this box, I'm going to get 6 over 1 times 1/4. I multiply straight across, and I get 6 over 4. Then in this box, I have 1/2 times 1/4. When I multiply straight across, I get 1 over 8. Okay, so now I understand that some of these have numerators that are bigger than the denominator. That is okay. We will deal with that in a little bit. Now I'm going to put all my numbers. 18 plus 6/4 plus 3 over 2 plus 1/8 equals. So now what I'm going to do is I need to find common denominators. And I know my common denominator is going to be 8 because I always use what's in this box. So I'm going to have 18 plus something over 8 plus something over 8 plus 1/8. Let me see. Sorry, had to change my setting a little bit so you could see the rest of the page. So I don't change my last fraction because it's already in the correct or the common, has the common denominator, so I will just multiply it by 1, which is the same thing. Now I have my denominators, and because of the way this problem is set up, I can go like this, 6 times 2, and put 12. I'm putting 12 in the first fraction because the top number is the fraction that I'm using. So 6 times 2 does equal 12. Another thing I could do is, how does 4 get to 8? Well, 4 gets to 8 by multiplying by 2. So what I do the bottom, I have to do the top. 6 times 2 equals 12, which gets me the same exact thing. If you do this butterfly method, which I'm about to show you, it works every single time as long as there are 4 numbers or 4 boxes. Now in this box, 4 times 3 equals 12. Also, I could say, how did 2, because this is the second fraction we're working with, how did 2 get to become 8? That's times 4. So 3 times 4 equals 12. I promise you, as long as you have 4 boxes, so you're multiplying 2 mixed numbers, that will always work. Now, because I have common denominators, I need to add them all together. 12 plus 12 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. So I'm going to write down here 18 and 25 over 8. Now what I can do is 2 things. I can do longhand, or I can draw 25 dots and see how many groups of 8 I can make. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do old-fashioned way, 18 plus, let's see, up here to the side, I'm trying to make it so you can see, I'm going to do 8 divided by 25. 8 does not go into 2, but 8 goes into 25 3 times. So I'm going to put a 3, I'm going to subtract by 24 because 8 times 3 equals 24. I get 1. So now I'm going to do 8 plus 3 and 1/8. So what I did is I turned 25 over 8 into a mixed number, and I got 3 and 1/8. And I can check it by saying 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 1 equals 25. So now that I have that, 18 plus 3 equals 21, and I don't have any other fraction to add. So 21 and 1/8 is my answer for problem number 1.